Umentri rang ba kajalla konrad ke sangma hakasngi baar ulaong baka sarkar kala kujumut ban kenchau pisa bha shaka pule ka dangle ban penklanya ki jingtei Iingskul ki bedai jongki higher and technical hapo kajalla. Umentri rang ba ula kranya kani haba pli ka Sora Government College East Khasi Hills. Kasora Government College kabala tipin shwa kum Kasora College kade kabala provincialized house nam 1000 khandai. Kajing gantiw kadanya Kasora Government College shaka provincialized college kala yo kajing manjur ya song pisa ka bakhat ar klur tingka house nam 1000 ar phau banchna ya jingtei ba pher ba kanthop ki kamra class ka library laboratory ki hostel ki kinthai ba chinrang ki Pynbna bat ki ben ki miet ki ba pakka ki belai dan lang hakne kajing lang ki kanthop yo menteri katanat puli puthi rakam e sangma ba menteri ka kot ki akong amperin lingdo bat ki we
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Big job. Great. One of the most important investments any government can make. And that is what drives this government to ensure that we are able to take care and nurture the greatest resource that our state and our country has, which is the youth of our nation. And it's as simple as that. And though the choices are tough sometimes, I appreciate Malakamin Rimbui, who was with me in the cabinet last 5 years. Education was maybe one of the toughest departments we had. A lot of reforms needed to be made. A lot of tough decisions needed to be made. Being a sector which was, I don't want to say it in a very negative way, but it was really not doing as good as maybe what we would want it to do. And hence, tough decisions were required to make real changes in a short period of time.